Okay, class. Time for history.
Mr. Dave Manson, can I go to the bathroom?
No, you are not going to the bathroom.
But
You are not going to the bathroom, and that's final.
They're just a bunch of wimpy donkeys. Kick their rumps!
Ryan, I can't
running
fight
from,
them.
you donkey chickens? Get back here!
Ryan, I can't fight them.
You meet shall we go on the other hand and see with royal purple girls still just
do whatever.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages,
Samson, swallow that fear and sand.
the greatest pain our young lions alike. The king, he discovers his
I do not talk like a lady. You are so bad. And my voice is coming out hard. I am so extremely mad.
I know, right? He's been making grounded videos out of us constantly. This needs to stop right now.
That's it, sir. I'm done. No more second chances. I am going to give you an ass beating. Come here, you lion pussy fucker.
No, 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 please have mercy.
How dare you mess with me while I was sitting on my phone? Catch that you are round and round and round and round and round and 426 to 957 thing 845 quadrillion 434 billion 339,451,223 trillion years. I will send my mom to kill you for saying disgusting things to me.
I can't believe you got suspended for 8 weeks for cutting school. How dare you cut school? Super extreme round and round and round and round and round and Tracy and Tony. I can't believe you crashed Trinket's car for my boyfriend's second anniversary. Did you know it cost $541 and you will be paying the damages for both her car and their house? That's it. Go home right now and I will call Trinket and Troubles about this.
Well, I have no words for this. Except, Angel. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with you? How dare you break the TV? Now you and your mother will have to replace the TV.
Are you too crazy or something? We can believe you thought it visited just to catch Trinket's house with GVPM and victory in the crowd? I agree with Trouble. And now we have to pay the damage bills because of you. That's so freaking yeah. You two are so grounded for 3232493233423 years. Now upstairs to your room like crazy now, and don't come out until summer 2020 is here.
क्यों भूल जाते हो कि आज हमारी तरफ है? तुमने मुझे ढूंढा कैसे? एक साइबर माउंटेन ने मुझे कहा था मुझे ऐसा कहीं ढूंढना होगा जो घंटों की आवाज सुनता हो। फिर मैंने जादू जंगल में कचरे से एन ये कहना चाहता है कि वो अवतार है और अगर उसने जल्दी अपडेट नहीं सीखी तो वो अपनी डेटा दोहराने में कामयाब नहीं होगा। तो मैं क्या करूँ? अब चले जाओ यहाँ से, वरना पहरेदारों को बुलाऊंगी।
इस लड़ाई में हम सभी को कुछ ना कुछ करना होगा और तुम्हें एंको और ट्रेंडिंग सिखाना होगा।
बचाओ, पहरेदारों बचाओ!
क्या हुआ?
मुझे लगा मैंने किसी की आवाज सुनी, मैं डर गई थी।
आपके पिता ने आपको बिना पहरे के मैदान में घूमने से मना किया है, टॉफ।